Alright, we'll see if this light's any better. It's still not dark yet, but things will show up a little better. Seems to go on forever, but it really doesn't. I'm going to try to back off as much as I can. Oh, see, now I get the light from the ceiling. Oh, wow. So it's sort of like a random kind of effect. And I am going to bring these home. I wasn't going to, but I kind of like them, so why not? I got a case to put them in. So now I'm going to work on the other side. See if I can actually get back from this enough. No, of course not. Oh. Yeah, that's what happens when you trip on plastic. The picture goes flying. Well, I'll wait and see if I can get more of it when it gets dark. We'll see if that makes